As with other 2-inch-1 devices, the Lenovo Yoga 920 comes in different configurations, though thankfully Lenovo hasn't gone overboard by offering a confusing array of options. The base model comes with an Intel Core i5-8250U processor, 256GB SSD, 8GB RAM, a 13.9-inch 1080p touchscreen and an active pen stylus, and costs $1,199.99, £1,199.99. This model is available in the US and UK. A second model comes with the same spec as above, but features a faster Intel Core i7-855U processor and larger 512GB SSD. This costs $1,549.99, £1,349.99 and again is available in the UK and the US. From these prices you can see that in the UK, the higher specs Yoga 920 offers much better value for money. Finally, there's a version that features an Intel Core i7-855U processor, 16GB RAM, up to 1TB of storage and a UHD 3840 by 2160 screen. This model is only available in the US and Australia, and costs $1,999.99, $1,999 Australian dollars. Australian readers may be a bit miffed about missing out on the lower spec'd versions, but at least the price conversion compared to US dollar works out very well. Meanwhile, if you're in the UK you won't have the option of that 4K screen. While these are quite hefty sums to be parting with, they are around the price we normally see high-end and premium laptops and ultrabooks sell for, and they're still a fair bit cheaper than the Surface Book 2, 13.5-inch, the smaller version of Microsoft's 2-inch-1, which is comparable to the Yoga 910 in terms of size and power. Prices for that device start at $1,499, £1,499, around 2,600 Australian dollars, for which you get a 7th generation Intel Core i5 CPU, 8GB RAM, 256GB and an integrated GPU. The prices then rise to a pretty steep $2,999, £2,999, around 5,200 Australian dollars, for the top-of-the-range model, which comes with an 8th Gen Intel Core i7 CPU, 16GB RAM, 1TB SSD and a GTX 1050 graphics card.